All right, good afternoon. We are going to be doing another partial quotient video because I messed up on the one that I did before. So, here we go. We have some smart students who figured out my mistakes. Yes, I'm a human being. Okay, so I have my class here with me right now. Okay, so we are going to start solving some problems. This is our page that we're working on for practice today. This is called partial quotient division. So everybody right now, go ahead and write partial quotient. You can write, I know your name is right there, but at the top somewhere I want you to write partial quotient. Okay, I know your name is not partial quotient. Okay, so we're going to start question number 5. Now, everybody, what is the first thing, no matter what form of division you're doing, if you're estimating, if you're working the actual, whatever you're doing, what can you do to help yourself if you're dividing by 2? That's right. You got it. So you only have to go to times 10. So let's only write to what? What's 2 times 10? 20. Okay, so you're only going to go to 20. So we should know our 2's, but in case we've forgotten, we can write 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. There you go. Okay, this can help us. The reason why we write our multiples is so that we see our equal groups. We can count our equal groups when we find the multiple we're looking for. It can help us, especially if we're not 100% on our math facts. So, but you don't have to go further than this. So now what's the first step? We cover up our number and we look at the place of greatest value. So we have a 1. We're dividing 169 by 2. Let's look at this 1. If we have one group of 100, can we make equal groups of 2?
No.
No, we cannot. So reveal the second digit. We have 16. That'd be 16 groups of 10, 16 tens. If we have 16, can we make equal groups of 2? Yes, a lot, right. Okay, so let's go ahead and think about the fact that will help us get to 16. Well, 16 is a multiple of 2, isn't it?
Yeah.
So, how many this is the thing that we're forgetting. We need to write our answers out to the side. So, how many groups of 2 will get us to 16? 8. Yes, that's very good. So, what we'll do is out to the side, we'll write the number 8. Let's work our basic fact first. 2 times 8 is what? 16. This is where we're going to place it because that's what we're thinking about. What do we do now?
Add a 0.
Yeah, go ahead and make a 0. We're making this number as large as possible by adding a 0 because we can do that. We've practiced this a lot. 2 times 8 is 16. So 2 times 80 is 160. We can take that large chunk out. This is similar to long division. It's just a little bit, it's different. I mean, but it is similar. We're taking out a chunk. So 9, we subtract as normal. 9 minus 0 is 9. 6 minus 6 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we only have 9 left. We took out a giant chunk right at the beginning, didn't we? Okay. So now it's like we have a brand new division problem. We've already separated our number. We have 9 left to divide. So if we have 9, can we make equal groups of 2?
No.
Yeah, if we have 9, we can make groups of 2, can't we? Okay, how many? Let's look down our list of multiples. Yeah, 4, because we can put 8 of those 9 into groups. So how many groups is that? 4. So you must write your answer. 2 times 4 is what? 8. Take that out. What would you have left? 1. Okay. So if you have 1 left, can you make a group of 2? No, you do not have enough. So this is why this is called your remainder. So let's put this back together.
84 remainder of 1.
That's right. 84 with a remainder of 1. If you want to put your answer up top, you can. It's 84 remainder 1. Very good. So when I was talking about this earlier, and I said this is just like an area model, do you see that? When we did our multiplication with area, we said, all right, what's in this section? If we have 2 times 80, what's in here?
160.
That's right. 160 would be in this section. Good, Zachary. Okay, if I have 2 times 4, what would be in this section? 8. That's right. And that's what we have here, isn't it? 8. And then we have our 1 left. So if we add 160, remember with our area model, we put the two areas together. And we said, 160 plus 8 is 168, plus this one little guy left over. Doesn't that give us our original number? Yes. It does. This is just the opposite of a multiplication area model. This time we know what we have inside. We're looking for what's on the outside. Let's do number 6 together. All right. We have 325 divided by 7. If we're dividing by 7, what do we do?
Write your 7.
Very good. So we have what? 7. What's next?
14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49.
What's next?
56.
There you go. Then what?
3.
And?
70.
Good. Okay, now we only have to go to times 10. We don't have to go any further. This is great practice anyway. We need to be very familiar with our multiplication facts. Okay, and these are 7s. All right, so what do? We look at the what digit? Yes, the first digit. It's a 3. If we have 3, do we have enough to make 7? No. So we reveal the second digit. Okay, 32. Can we make groups of 7?
Yes.
How many?
Number 28.
Well, how many groups would that be? Okay, this is the fact that we're looking at. 4 groups of 7. So we put a 4 out to the side. You have to write your answers. A lot of us are doing everything great on the inside, but we're not writing how we got there, and that's our answer. That's our quotient, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, so our basic fact, 7 times 4 is 28, and that's what I have my finger on right here, 28. That's right. Place marker 0. So if this was an area model, wouldn't 280 be in this section? Yes. 7 times 40 is 280. So let's take that out. We've dealt with that. We have 5. Let's see, we need to regroup. That would be 4.
It's 45.
Good. We have 45 left. We've taken out a huge chunk. We have 45 left to deal with. Okay, so if we have 45, we're dividing by 7, how much can we deal with? Well, let's go down our list of multiples. Good. We don't have enough for 49, so we have to go back. What fact gets us to 42? 6. 7 times 6 is what?
42.
Good. You got it. We would have 3 left over. So if this was an area model, what would be in this section? 42. That's right. 7 times 6 is 42. And then we'd have 3 left.
We can't put it in our group.
That's right. Good.
That's our remainder.
That's our remainder. So we put these two numbers back together, just like we did with multiplication.
46.
Yes, 46 remainder 3. You can put it up top if you'd like. 46 with the remainder of 3. Excellent. Okay, we're going to do one more. Y'all are doing great. And then you're going to have to do number 8. Okay. So, that's easy. 5s. What do?
Write your 5.
Write your 5s. Okay, so 5.
10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50.
And then stop. Good. Only have to go to times 10. And again, it's great practice. Okay, so only look at your what? Good. Yeah, good. Good. First digit.
You can make a group of 5.
You can do this. Yes. In your dividend, if that first digit is larger or the same, you can do it. So how many groups of 5 can I make with 7? 1. Okay, so you write that. Don't think about these other 2 digits yet. Just think of your basic fact. 5 times 1 is 5. Good. Now we put in our place markers. We should know that 5 times 100 is 500. We can take out that big chunk. We'll have a lot left over, but that's okay. We can deal with that. So we have 8, 3, 2. Okay, that's all right. We have 238 left to deal with. That's not near as much, is it? But we can do this. So what do? It's like a brand new division problem. We cover up everything but the first digit. We only have 2. Can we put it into equal groups of 5? No. So reveal the second digit, 23. Can we deal with that?
Yes.
Sure. How many equal groups can we make if we have 23?
20.
Okay, which would be how many groups?
4.
4. Okay, you're getting it. Okay. So we write a 4. What is our basic fact? 5 times 4 is 20.
Add your place marker.
We need our place marker 0. So we have to have it here too, right? 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 times 40 is 200. So we subtract. We have 8.
8 and 3. 38. Minus 2, so 38.
Okay, so now we have 38. It's like a brand new division problem. We have 38 now to deal with. We got rid of some. We saw what was left. We got rid of some more. We saw what was left. Now we have 38. Can we make groups of 5 if we have 38?
35.
Okay. So, but how many groups is that?
7.
7. Yes. 5 times 7 is 35. We're looking at our basic facts. 3 left over. That is our remainder because we have nothing left to deal with. We cannot put a group of 5. We only have 3, so we put these back together. This will be what? 100? Very good. So 147 with a remainder of 3. Excellent. Okay, so now tell me what to do.
Write your multiples.
Okay. Okay, so what are they?
6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 46, 48, 42, 48, 54, 60.
Very good. Now stop. Good. Now what do I do?
Cover up the first digit. Cover up the third digit.
Okay, now what?
You have room to make one group, so you can. You put that one. You put the one to the side.
Put the oh, good. Okay, so you're telling me what to do. Good. So I put a 1 to the side. Now what?
Put a 6 under the 6.
Put a 6 under the 6. Then what?
2 place marker zeros.
Y'all agree?
Yes.
All right. Great. Now what?
Subtract.
Okay, hang on. Hang on. Oh, okay. So good. Are y'all with me so far?
Yes.
Okay, y'all are telling me what to do. So subtract. So where do I start?
From the one place.
Okay.
0. 1. 0.
Okay, good. So what do I have left?
10.
Can I do that?
You can do one group.
How many groups?
1.
Wait. Okay, don't argue. We're fine. I think we're on the same fact. But how many groups?
1.
Thank you. There you go.
And 6 times 1 is 6.
And 6 times 1 is
6.
good. Okay. Subtract.
4.
Now what?
You can't make more groups, so that's your remainder. So you're going to use 101 remainder 4. Come on, people.
Excellent. Okay, are we starting to get this?
Yes, I finished the whole paper.
Excellent. Okay, what I want you to do now. Okay, we're still recording. Thank you, Miss Bacha's homeroom, for helping me out with this. I appreciate you. So please watch the video. I want you to do, oops, wrong side. I want you to do the rest of it. Good luck. You can do it.
Okay.